Happy Monday, fish heads. Jen here at Jekyll Baits. Just wanted to give you a very fast workshop update. I'm going to try not to go over 2 minutes on this because we have a lot of stuff to do, primarily editing. So we're going to try and get all that stuff done today. I had a really good day yesterday on the water. Did a lot of wade fishing. Went in the backs of pockets and creeks and had a blast. So we're going to try and get that uploaded today as well. Just real quick, we've got a few orders going out, so I just wanted to, and this is some stuff that I haven't done in a while. It's on the website at www.jekylbaits.com, as are the new t-shirts and hoodies and hats and gear and stuff. So several different craw patterns. This is the Rayburn Red Fade on a Vision style. Some S styles. This is the Molten Lava. We've got the Alabama Craw. There we go. Good effective colors. This is the Lake Charles Shad. Also a fun color. Blackberry Jam, one of my faves. This really gets their attention in the spring and in the late summer. These are all on holographic blanks. Now this is the Neon Pumpkin. It's always done without the little ear flaps that are black with the red dot. And on this one, the customer requested it on the holographic foiled S-crank style. So you can see that the flash underneath. We had to do this just a little bit differently because of that. So that's what's going on. This is another craw pattern. This is the Diablo Craw. But all these little knuckleheads are on holographic foil. Deep Indigo Sunset. Customer definitely likes red. Well, that's good. So do I. Couple of lipless. These are sold. But this is the Sunrise series. I did a Sunset series, and then we have the Sunrise series. And these are both out of the Sunrise series for the gills. Got a few soft pastels in there, but just a really good blend, and you get that 3D scaling effect with this, which is just super effective for those bass. This really grabs their attention. It's 2D paint and a 3D effect. So that's what we got for you guys today. Thanks for hanging out with me for a few minutes. This one is going to be a tester. It's going to be a river tester and a lake tester. This is the Dinger Custom Baits flat sides. And it's almost a rainbow pattern, rainbow trout pattern, but not quite. Really want to see how effective it is in these summer rivers and shallow areas in the lakes, like Bull Shoals and Norfolk. So super happy with how this came out. Got the scaling, but it's a translucent. There's nothing. Cool thing about this is, let's see if we can get it up to the light here. Ta-da! There we go. Very translucent. Looks like a minnow. That's what we got. You guys have a great day. We're going to try and get the fishing video up today as well. Hope to see you again soon. Happy casting.